So I just wanted to show you what I've been working on recently. I haven't been doing that much with code. I'll talk about later what I'm getting into in the future, but right now I just wanted to show you some cool things I did with Autodesk, or Autodesk Fusion 360, which is a CAD software that I basically got on an education license. And it's very resourceful, has a lot of stuff, so just to model some stuff that you can do, I decided to create a lamp based on a little tutorial for a course. So yeah, let me just show you how it works. So basically, you've got the base, you've got the stand, you can like rotate, whoa, and then you can also, I put a ball bearing in there so you can like rotate around and do all sorts of crazy stuff. Here, let me show you what it looks like from like most of the angles. So yeah, it's actually a pretty decent project because I learned how to like do things such as, well, basically model the entire thing, sweep, align, use ball bearings, use the spline, or what do you, spline tool, that's what it's called, yeah. And yeah, you can do a lot of cool stuff with it. I also, one thing I messed up on this project though, if I go to another thing, lamps are supposed to have light bulbs. This light bulb that I got on the internet was actually supposed to be designed in millimeters, and I did my thing in centimeters. So yeah, that's one flaw my design had. But also, there you can see a lot of like parts and components. You can see some of the sketches I did. I didn't really bother to name my sketches. It was actually a decently long project, as you can see from the timeline. I created several components, just as simple parts. So you can see the ball joint. Let me rotate over to that. If I select that, or sorry, ball joint, which is the actual ball bearing itself, the ball joint socket, which contains the ball bearing, the base, the lamp arm, and the lampshade itself. So this, one of the coolest things I found about this project is the lampshade. It's like a really nice topographic object that it was not that difficult to create, but you could see like some of the cool aspects of Fusion 360. And then along with that, I also modeled a really simple nose cone, but I affectionately refer to it as the bullet because it looks basically like a bullet. It's a really simple design. I just used let me show you what I used. I used the fit point spline to like basically create the curve that you get from bullet. And then I loaded that model into another software that I got for free with the education license called Autodesk Cfd, which CFD stands for Computational Fluid Dynamics. So if I load in a project, you can see here it loads into CFD. I haven't really done anything. I might do something, not really now on camera. I just want to play around with the software a bit more. I might program some like machine learning stuff for CFD. Oh yeah, and on that topic, I thought it would be a neat idea to start working on an Intel project science fair, or Intel science fair project, should say. Something cool, something not. I don't necessarily want to win. I just want to get more into programming and stuff. But yeah, so in the future, if we're talking about that, I'm probably gonna do more C++ stuff for the USACO, also some physics stuff for USFO and and the F equals MA exam. I'm taking a course online for free for that, so yeah, it should be some cool stuff coming up in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching.